Hello students, welcome to all. Today our topic is from the diary of Anne Frank. Dear students, it is an autobiography written by Anne Frank. In this chapter, we will read about when Adolf Hitler came in power in Germany, then how did the life of people change there, how did they feel, simply how was their life. All these details we will do in this chapter. Actually, in class 9th in social science, you have already read about Nazism. In that chapter, you read how Jewish people were killed by Adolf Hitler and what was the condition of those people there. So, firstly, in this part, we have the introduction of Anne Frank. Who was Anne Frank? So, let's start this. Anneliese Marie Anne Frank. She was born on 12 June 1929, Feb or March 1945, and she died in Feb or March. Month is not sure. She was German. She was born in a Jewish family who wrote while in hiding with her family and four friends in Amsterdam during the German occupation of the Netherlands in World War II. In this chapter, we have the information related to the Second World War. What is the time period of Second World War? 1939 to 1945. And during this time period, Anne Frank and her family, they hid themselves in Amsterdam. And how did they save their life there? And what happened in the last? We will come to know with the help of this chapter. So in this chapter, the information related to the means firstly we are having the information related to the birth and what happened with her. Her family had moved to Amsterdam after the Nazis gained power in Germany but were trapped when the Nazi occupation extended into the Netherlands. When in Germany whose power was there? Adolf Hitler. Adolf Hitler was the ruler at that time. And at that time, Adolf Hitler, he wanted to he wanted to have control over the neighboring countries. And Netherlands was one of them. When Germany wanted to gain control over Netherlands, then at that time, Anne Frank and her family faced all these problems. As persecution against the Jewish population increased, the family went into hiding in July 1942 in hidden rooms in her father Otto Frank's office building. They hid in the office building of her father. Otto Frank was her father. Who was the father of Anne Frank? Otto Frank. And Anne Frank and her family members and her four friends, then they hid themselves in the office building of Otto Frank. In July 1942, it was the time period when they hid himself. After 2 years in hiding, then they were hiding there for 2 years. The group was betrayed. Betray means then the group, the people who hide there, then they were caught by the Nazi people and transported to the concentration camp. And then these people were taken to the concentration camp, and there Anne Frank died of typhus. Typhus is a name of disease in Bergen-Belsen within days of her sister Margaret Frank. Margaret Frank is the sister of Anne Frank, and when they were caught, then they were taken to the concentration camp, and in that concentration camp, Anne Frank and her sister Margaret Frank, they died there. Her father Otto, the only survivor of the group, returned to Amsterdam after the war ended. to find that her diary had been saved. Convinced that it was a unique record, he took action to have it published in English under the name The Diary of a Young Girl. The father of Anne Frank, he was the only survivor. Only he was left. Other members died there. And when he came back to Amsterdam, then he found the diary of Anne Frank. And that diary was published by her father. And which title was given? The title was given The Diary of a Young Girl. This diary was given to Anne Frank for her 13th birthday and chronicles the event of her life from 12 June 1940 until its final entry of 1st August 1944. Anne Frank got that diary on her 13th birthday, and in this diary we got the record from 12 June 1942 to 1st August 1944. This is the last entry when she wrote in that diary, 1st August 1944. And when did she start? On 12 June 1942. So whatever happened during these 2 years, we came to know through this diary. It was eventually translated from its original Dutch into many languages and became one of the world's most widely read books. That diary was written in the Dutch language, and later on that diary was translated into different language like English, French, so other people can also read that. There have also been several films, television, theatrical productions, and even an opera based on the diary. Many movies, plays, short drama, these were performed on that, means based on that story. Many movies are there. Described as the work of a mature and insightful mind, the diary provides an intimate examination of daily life under Nazi occupation. Means this diary was written by a mature girl. She was a mature girl, and Frank was a mature girl. And after reading that diary, then we came to understand how was the life of people during Nazi rule. And Frank has become one of the most renowned and discussed of the Holocaust victims. And Holocaust means that terrible situation, that destruction during, means when Raji rule was there, then Anne Frank was one of them. Lots of people suffered during that time period. So it is just only an introduction, whatever we have in this chapter. Now see this next part. We are having one activity in column A and B. In column A, 4 words are given. In column B, definition is given. You have to match what is your journal, what is your diary, what is your log. You have to match according to that. And in question number second, some examples are given. In after reading these examples, you have to find out whether it is taken from a diary or whether it is taken from a journal or log. So this exercise you have to complete yourself. Okay, in next video we will do the later part. Thank you and have a nice day.